What's up guys, I'm Cole from HRT Motorsports. I'm in the process of buttoning up this 6100 truck. It used to be a trophy truck a couple months ago, and then since we put the 6100 motor in it, it's a spec LS motor. With that comes a new exhaust, and I had to call up Shane from Heatshield Products to help me figure out what to do and how to keep the heat out of the cockpit so it's comfortable during endurance races.
I'm Shane from Heatshield Products, and today I'm going to be installing some of our Heatshield lava boots on these plug wires down here. They're really close to the headers. We're also going to be focusing on shielding the occupants, the driver and the navigator, so we're going to do a little bit of our heat shield armor on both of the headers. And then we also have a long exhaust pipe down this side over here that we're going to be putting our Heatshield Products pipe armor kit, just to kind of help make it a little more comfortable for them inside. I've got our Heatshield Products lava boots. They're good for 1200 degrees continuous, 2000 intermittent. I'm going to install these right here. They're really easy to install. You just pop off your plug wire and put it on your wire, slide it on, get it on there all the way. That side's complete. Continuing on with the 6100 build, we're going to move on to the headers. And the goal here is to shield the navigator. This header goes really close to their legs. I'm going to shield that with some of our heat shield armor, and then I also have our heat shield armor pipe kit, and I'm going to shield this exhaust right here, just on the side facing the driver, so we get a little more comfort and kind of lower those temps. I've got my Heatshield Products header armor here. I made a quick little template with some cardboard. I'm going to open it up, start cutting, and install it. I'm going to mark this just a little bit bigger so I have room for my folds. So now what I like to do is get a little bit of the insulation off, and then I'm going to fold the aluminum over and kind of seal it up. I'll just fold this over. There we go, now we're all set to install. Okay. I've got my header armor all ready to install. We're going to opt on this installation to use our Heatshield Products thermal ties. Just going to make sure that it doesn't fall off. This experiences some harsh conditions, so we want to make sure it stays there. I like to just grab the end of the tie after I cut the excess off and just kind of roll it into itself here. It's a good way to make sure it stays locked, and you don't need any special tool for this part. You can just use some angled needle nose pliers. Now we're just going to go do pretty much the same thing on the driver's side over there. Okay, I've got my heat shield armor pipe kit. I'm going to install it on this exhaust pipe right here. I have a 3-foot long piece. I'm going to measure and see if I need to trim any. So I'm going to trim off 2 inches. So I'll show you how you can size them if you want to size it appropriately to your application. So now I'm going to take it over the table here and give it a little cut. Okay, let's open this up and see what we can do here. Okay, I got my Heatshield armor pipe kit laid out. I'm going to size it up to fit this exhaust pipe over here. Okay, now we're moving on from the table and we're going to install on the exhaust pipe. Alright, installation complete. Okay, that's a wrap up here at HRT Motorsports. We got our lava boots all installed, we got our header armor installed, and we got our new armor pipe kit all installed. So now these guys should be a lot more comfortable in their rig.
If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.